This is a 1949 Dodge, and it is a 6-volt system, still is. It didn't have, when I bought it, it didn't have a windscreen washer system. It just had wipers that work off vacuum, and the fact they still work, but it didn't have a washer system for the windscreens, which is very difficult driving in conditions today. So I couldn't find, at the time, I couldn't find a decent 6-volt pump to work it, so I installed a 12-volt system, and to power it, I used a 12-volt battery, or leisure battery, which is that one there, and we fitted it to the back here, inside the boot or the trunk, and we fitted it down here, and I had a cover made so that it looked good in the back. But I charged it up every year or so, or a couple of years maybe sometimes. Was in there for about 6 years, and it worked okay, but I was getting fed up with charging it and having that great big heavy battery in the back. So I had found a number of 6-volt windscreen washer systems that were originally from Volkswagens, and they were brand new, and I bought about 6 of them to fit in these cars. So I had one fitted, and at the same time, actually we'll get the car out and have a look. This car, of course, was the first car to start on the key, whereas previously all cars obviously were starting with a push button. So we'll have a look at the washer system. Right, so that's it. Very simple. They were supplied for Volkswagens, 6-volt, little pump, and a reservoir, water outlet, feed. So the feed now is from this original 6-volt battery, and it works lovely. Really good. So we've got a little lever down here. And we have water. Of course, this has got the vacuum wipers, which slow down when you rev up. Anyway, now we can wash the windscreen. But the other thing I had done was I fitted a power outlet down here. And which means that I can run a number of things, and one of them is the sat-nav, satellite navigation. So we plug that in, and turn the ignition on. Right, as soon as that comes on, we've got a red light come on. Off, on. So here we go. That should work. So the 6-volt actually works the sat-nav. So that's pretty handy. Pleased about that. Shut that off. Well, there we go. Oh, it's coming on now anyway, running off battery power of its own. I'll turn that off now. So we've got a useful little car, which means I can go for a drive and I can clean the windscreen if I need, and I can find my way home if I want to. Hello dog, got lost yet? We got sat nav now.